Starting an event planning company can be an exciting and rewarding journey. But where do you start? First things first, let's get the basics down. The first thing you need to think about is what kind of events you want to specialize in. Weddings, corporate events, birthdays, or something else entirely. Think about what gets you excited, because your enthusiasm will be a big part of your success. Next up, you need a business plan. This sounds a bit formal, but it doesn't have to be. Just jot down your ideas about the services you want to offer, who your clients will be, and how you're going to reach them. Think of it as your roadmap. Don't forget to set a budget. Starting a business does involve some costs, and it's good to know what you're up against. Consider everything from marketing expenses to the tools you'll need to get started. Once you've got your plan and budget in place, it's time to make your business official. You'll need to register your business name and sort out any necessary licenses. And remember, legalregistration.com can help with all that. We are experts in turning that part of your dream into a reality. Visit legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. Another important step is setting up your operational structure. Think about whether you'll work alone, hire employees, or collaborate with freelancers. It's important to have a clear vision of how you want to manage the day-to-day tasks of your business. Organize your workflow to maximize efficiency and meet client expectations. Now let's talk about marketing. It's all about getting your name out there. Use social media to showcase what you can do. Create a snazzy website, and don't be shy about asking your first clients for reviews. Word of mouth is powerful. Networking is your best friend in this industry. Get to know other event planners, vendors, and local businesses. Attend events, join online groups, and stay connected. You never know when a new opportunity might pop up. As you build your business, keep an eye on industry trends. Event planning is an ever-evolving field, and staying updated with the latest trends can help you stand out. Whether it's new technology, unique themes, or sustainability practices, offering something fresh can set you apart from your competition. Think about your brand. What makes you unique? Is it your style, your customer service, or maybe your innovative ideas? Your brand should reflect who you are and what you want to be known for in the industry. As your business grows, be ready to roll with the punches. There will be challenges, but every twist and turn is an opportunity to learn and improve. Stay flexible and always keep the client's needs front and center. And there you have it, a simple roadmap to starting your own event planning company. It's a lot of work, but with passion and persistence, you can create something truly special. If you found this video helpful and want more tips on starting and running your own business, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new venture.